Do you want to know how you can delete your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, search for Temu or go to temu.com. Make sure that you are logged in. After you log into your Temu account, hover around your profile over here and you can see Account Security. Click on Account Security, scroll a bit down and you can see Delete your Temu account. Click on this link and it will take you to this page over here. And go ahead and read this. So it says that you are going to delete your account and you can not get it back. So this is a permanent way of deleting your account and all the data and all of the coupons will be deleted forever. So if you are sure, go ahead and click I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Go ahead and click continue, select the reason, click continue again, and then you can see it asks you, are you sure you want to delete your account? If you are sure of deleting your account, go ahead and click delete and then your account will be permanently deleted. So all you need to do is hover around your profile, go to Account Security, scroll a bit down and find Delete Your Temu Account. Click on this link and click on this box, click Continue, select the option why you want to delete it, click Continue and click Delete again. This way you can successfully delete your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.